Well guys, it's another large day here in the big land. I'm in the woods today with family, my son's girlfriend too, and we're gonna build a rocket stove. A little different design, I've never done it before. I'm gonna give it a try, excited about it. Hopefully have a cup of tea or a cup of coffee and cut a bit of wood and do some riding on snowmobile. It's gonna be fun, so stick around. It will. Here's the rocket part. The flame is going up through already. Should have went for the big stick. Here's the rocket part. It's going to be a channel in through here and up through here. So the idea is the air will go in through here, there's a channel in underneath, and it'll come out through here. And I made these little relief cuts up top here for the air to be able to come through when I lay something on top of the block.
I think you could be a star in the video.
Alright, so that's the official match lighter slash rocket stove lighter.
Oh.
Professional. Alright, so let's see if this starts. Oh, you can see the smoke start to come to the top. Oh yeah, see she's the flame is going up through already, look. Look at that, boys, look. Alright, put a couple of those in there and then a couple of those twigs I just cracked off there. Smaller ones. Smallest ones there, yeah.
No section, just choose more.
Alright, Let her breathe a little bit now. Wood is dry enough to light now. This one, yeah, here we go. That's going in there. See how much snow we got. Okay.
I'll take a picture of the file and stuff like that.
Yochi mama! Seriously? Oh my! Cheers, everybody. Go get the steak.
Stop.
So guys, it's been going now for about an hour, and you can still see the opening there, the rocket portion of it, I guess. Still quite intact. No trouble to have another cup of tea or fry up some rub on a frying pan or something. Working pretty good. Really impressed. Okay guys, we just finished up our cup of tea there, so we're going to head around out. We had a great day. The rocket stove worked really well. We'll definitely try it again in the future. It's still going. You can see you could still use that for another couple of hours, I think, before it would actually be all the way gone. So thanks for tuning in, guys, and we'll catch you again in the next one for sure.